System files corrupted by the Remote Library DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. Before we get into the technical process for Remote Library, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Remote Library, a generic naming convention used by several remote administration and desktop sharing tools, like TeamViewer or Localized IT tools. It manages the low-level screen capture and input injection. If missing, the remote control features of the parent app will be non-functional, reporting a remote service initialization failed. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Since Remote Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized Remote Communication shim toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application, where you received the error, is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing remote library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading Remote Library DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to Remote Library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Remote Library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.